NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams. And all these little dots are stars?
All these little dots are galaxies, some of which are bigger than our own.
Breaking news. We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
JWST is so phenomenal that if you spend enough time, you could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful.
This is whenever we've first had an Earth-like planet in the habitable zone of a sun-like star. NASA has found a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or about 800 trillion miles. Space experts say the planet is around 1.5 times the size of Earth and circles a small, ruddy star that is cooler than our Sun. Very thrilling, right? I mean, we haven't found a precise twin for Earth, and this is certainly not an accurate reproduction. Yet, out of this most recent lobby of 500 new potential planets, many slightly larger than Earth, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has scarcely woken up. The universe is newer, more puzzling, and more gorgeous than humankind's wildest dreams. This is an enormous revelation, and we feel that it's a tremendous breakthrough. The most intriguing part of this telescope, this wonderful instrument we've placed in space, is its ability to discover things we didn't expect and can't yet explain. That means we must rethink our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is so powerful that, if you spend enough time observing, you could probably find any world that has ever formed in the universe. It's actually that strong. The James Webb Telescope has done it again. And this time it's making headlines for something truly groundbreaking. Proxima b, the closest exoplanet to our solar system, might not be just another distant rock after all. New discoveries suggest that life could truly exist there. And the evidence is nothing short of stunning. What exactly did the James Webb Telescope find that's causing such a massive stir? Let's dive into these historic discoveries that could completely reshape our understanding of life beyond Earth. Proxima b. The basics. The James Webb Telescope has identified something extraordinary on Proxima b, an exoplanet of great interest since its discovery in 2016. But what makes Proxima b so special? And why are astronomers paying such close attention? First, the essentials. Proxima Centauri b, also known as Alpha Centauri Cb, is an exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. This star is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system and is the closest star to the Sun, located about 4.2 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. Proxima b is one of the nearest known exoplanets to our solar system, alongside Proxima d and the debated Proxima c. Proxima b orbits its star at a distance of roughly 7.26 million kilometers and completes one orbit in about 11.2 Earth days. That's very close in space terms. Importantly, it orbits within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. The habitable zone is the region where conditions could allow liquid water to exist, a key requirement for life as we know it. Naturally, scientists are eager to study this planet to determine if it holds any clues about the possibility of life beyond Earth. The challenges of Proxima b. However, Proxima b's proximity to a red dwarf star presents challenges. Red dwarfs are not exactly hospitable neighbors. They are known for violent behavior, often emitting intense solar flares. This raises serious concerns. Such flares could easily strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it exposed and potentially uninhabitable. Despite these challenges, astronomers haven't given up. They've continued studying Proxima b, hoping it might still reveal something significant. Its characteristics are not yet fully understood, but the planet is believed to have a minimum mass of around 1.07 times that of Earth, with a radius only slightly larger than Earth's. The European Southern Observatory (ESO) announced the discovery of Proxima Centauri b on August 24, 2016, following years of radial velocity studies of its parent star. This finding was significant because it marked the discovery of a planet in the habitable zone of the nearest star to our solar system. The discovery reignited interest in the Alpha Centauri system and the possibility of future robotic exploration, given Proxima b's proximity to Earth. Proxima b's physical characteristics. How similar is Proxima b to Earth in terms of physical traits? Its mass is estimated to be between 1.07 and 1.17 times that of Earth, making it very similar in size. However, its radius remains uncertain, with estimates ranging from 0.94 to 1.4 times Earth's radius. This variability makes it difficult to classify the planet definitively. Depending on its composition, Proxima b could be Earth-like or more similar to a smaller, Neptune-type planet. The planet's composition is still speculative, but scientists suggest it could range from having a large core like Mercury to being a water-rich planet. Its formation likely involved stronger impacts and faster overall development compared to Earth, potentially influencing its current makeup. Tidal locking and habitability. One of the most significant factors affecting Proxima b is the likelihood that it is tidally locked to its star. This means one side of the planet always faces Proxima Centauri, resulting in one hemisphere in perpetual daylight and the other in eternal darkness. Such a scenario would create extreme climate conditions, with only the twilight zone between the two hemispheres potentially being habitable. However, there's still a chance Proxima b is not fully tidally locked, which could result in more varied rotation patterns and different climate conditions. If the planet's orbit is slightly eccentric, it could follow a resonance pattern like Mercury, creating more dynamic conditions. New findings from the James Webb Space Telescope. Recent climate models designed to simulate rocky exoplanets around red dwarfs suggest that Proxima b could indeed be habitable. Using supercomputers, scientists created 3D simulations of potential environments based on environmental factors. When they simulated Proxima b's conditions, the results were surprising. Despite being tidally locked and exposed to heavy radiation, the planet could still support life if it has an Earth-like atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. These features could shield it from the intense radiation of its parent star. In this scenario, the planet could even host an ocean extending into its dark side, possibly resembling a giant eyeball planet gazing at its star. While this may sound strange, it's an exciting possibility for scientists searching for signs of life beyond Earth. Researchers have been eager to uncover more details about this elusive corner of the universe for years. Peculiarity like volcanic movement or auroras. This shine was consistent and steady, something that would more probably come from counterfeit lighting. You know, the sort of lights you would hope to see from a city around evening time. This revelation has left researchers stunned. Could this be proof of a high-level civilization? While it is too soon to rush to conclusions, the idea that we could have found indications of intelligent life is hard to ignore. After all, artificial lights are one of the few things we associate with developed civilizations, like seeing Earth from space. So, if Proxima b truly has something similar going on, we might be looking at our first genuine sign that we are not alone in the universe. Hypotheses and implications of the discovery. Now, what hypotheses do researchers have for this new discovery? What does this mean? The discovery of possible artificial lights on Proxima b is completely staggering. Assuming these lights truly are a result of some advanced technology, it could imply that a highly evolved civilization either exists or once existed on this nearby exoplanet. If that's true, this would be the first time we've found direct evidence of extraterrestrial technology. This is no small revelation. It isn't like we've discovered some microorganisms or basic life forms. This could be intelligent beings capable of shaping their environment, perhaps creating city-like structures. This is the kind of discovery that makes you sit up and realize just how vast the universe truly is. Yet, as exciting as this all sounds, it leaves us with so many questions. If these lights are from a civilization, exactly how advanced are they? Are we talking about a society like our own, one experiencing its own technological developments and struggles? Or is this something far more advanced? A closer look at the evidence. These lights cover a significant portion of the planet, according to data from the James Webb Telescope. That could mean it's either one massive city or a collection of smaller settlements scattered across the planet. Either way, we're talking about an organized society, not just random lights here and there. Then, of course, there's another question. How are these lights powered? Are they using something like electricity, as we do, generated from natural resources like coal, solar, or wind? Or, and here is where it gets really interesting, have they developed some advanced form of energy we can't yet imagine? Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This could mean the inhabitants had to get creative with their energy production, perhaps harnessing energy in ways that could give us clues about solving our own energy problems here on Earth. A civilization in decline. But what if these lights are merely the remnants of a civilization? Think about it. What if this was a society that once thrived but is now in decline? What could have caused it? The discovery of potential city lights on Proxima b could be a game-changer for space exploration. At 4.24 light-years away, Proxima is relatively close to Earth in cosmic terms, making it an ideal target for future missions. While that distance is still staggering by human standards, in the grand scheme of the universe, it's practically in our backyard. Over the years, there has been growing speculation about sending probes or even crewed missions to nearby star systems. Now, with the possibility of artificial lights on Proxima b, things could accelerate significantly. Scientists could develop advanced propulsion technologies to study the planet and its potential inhabitants up close. Broader implications for humanity. This is no longer a distant dream. The discovery of these lights makes Proxima be an intriguing candidate for future exploration. The goal: to gather more data, get up close with the planet, and perhaps find out if we are indeed dealing with an intelligent civilization out there. This isn't the first time we've looked for extraterrestrial life. We have the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, which traditionally focused on detecting radio transmissions or other forms of communication from distant civilizations. However, this new discovery suggests a need to shift our focus. Instead of listening for signals, we should also look for signs of advanced technology like artificial lighting,